Amelo pero chuwassa.
Thank you, okay? Yeah, he helped me to find that guy. Chatpati, Chatpati. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi.
Fine.
Hi.
I was searching for you. They told me there is one guy famous in Bhaktapur
Thank you, thank you.
for Chatpati. My friend said you have to come here and try your Chatpati. So finally, I was lost, guys. I can't find this place, so I have to ask the local people to help me come this place. So I can't wait to try his Chatpati. This is the Chatpati guy, guys.
Chatpati. Amelo pero chuwassa.
So, what made you famous? Is it the food or you are funny? What's famous about you?
Famous amelo pero chuwassa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually I'm from Africa, guys. I do have Nepalese friend here, and they just told me come here and try it. So we'll see what he have.